everyone, it's Miss Liederman here again, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a found object mandala. So this one is kind of be a little bit similar to how we made like the plant material mandala, where you're gonna find anything that's around you, and it does not have to be plant material. You can use silverware, you can use toys, I've seen people use shoes. There's so many things, so it's whatever you can get your hands on. And so you'll make it, I'll teach you in just a little bit how you would make it like a mandala. But my first step for you is to find some stuff around the house that you can use for your mandala. So maybe think of things that you like or would like to use. Think about what maybe you have a lot of, because one of the basics of mandalas a lot of times is a pattern or symmetry, so it's nice to have things that are maybe repeated, but I know not everyone can do that, but that's totally fine. So maybe think of things that are similar in color, similar in size or shape, stuff like that. So go look around your house and see what you can find. I am going to show you how to do it with Legos, because I actually have a ton of Legos that I used to play with my godchild. So once you've found everything, then we'll move on to the next step, which is making your mandala. So I'll see you in just a second. Hey everyone, so looks like we're ready for the next step, which is making your mandala. So similar to how we've made the other mandalas, we're going to start from the middle and work our way out. And don't think too much about this, because you want to kind of let your mind just do what it wants. Don't think too much about it. It's all about just doing. And so have your materials next to you that you're going to use, and then you're going to start from the middle, work your way out. Again, think about patterning, think about symmetry, think about shapes, color as you're planning your mandala. And so without further ado, I'm going to show you how I make my mandala. Let's get started. Alright, and there you have it. I have my Lego mandala. You can see that I try to go with some symmetry, that I try to keep similar colors and some similar pieces. But you don't have to do it the same way I did. Just make sure to have fun with it and try out different ways of doing it. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Alright, see you next time. Bye!